I want to show you my new project here. It's a 1966 GMC Suburban Carryall. Very clean. Just picked it up last week. So I'll be redoing this. Probably do a frame off resto-mod. So you can keep tabs on this. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also go to the website. I'll have monthly updates, which will show pictures and details of my build. So it's very, very clean. Rockers are good. Floorboards are good. Don't know what the trailer hitch is all about, but so very good condition. It has the factory 305 in it, which I plan on selling. The whole drivetrain runs fine. So obviously this is going to be taken out. I've already taken the front end apart. So fenders, grille surround, core support, excellent condition. So subscribe to the channel if you want to keep tabs on this. And also, like I said, on the website, you can see the monthly progress reports with details and pics. Some of you have already seen my 1966 C10 frame-off build I did. Pictures above, and also my 72 Montego 429, which I made a 521. Did a frame-off resto on that. Those two I did both within 5 years. So anxious to get going on this. Color unknown. This does have the clamshell gate on it, which I really like. Closes and opens excellent. No rust down at the bottom. This past Saturday I stripped the quarter. Very, very minor body work. 2K primed it. So again, subscribe if you want to keep tabs on it. Looking forward to get going on this thing. Thanks for watching.